CTM stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Which is very short 1-minute video till the end, find out. So I want to start off by saying that Castellum Incorporated has been like a decent stock, and I'm very open-minded for longs. I have spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, called out thousands of correct predictions on my YouTube channel for free, and I'm talking 10-20x moves, and all of it has been documented on my YouTube channel. With CTM specifically, like it all began here where I was again your default bullish. Here's the video. At the time the background was white, so a month ago, 21st of December, that's how it looked like. And then the price came down, if you can, in case you can't tell here, and then we deliver right here right now. This is how we're looking like. This doesn't mean that I'm going to immediately buy, right? You have to understand Monday is not going to be closed, so Tuesday is when we're going to be open, and only then if I see a shift here, then I'm going to take things up. If I don't see the shift, then I'm just not going to buy, you see? So that's how CTM looks like. If you want to make more money trading in a very simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.